Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Magic Eraser in Canva, and here's how it is done. To get started with Magic Eraser, the first thing you will need to do is add an image to your design. I will go ahead and upload an image here. To access it, click on your image, then go to the top left corner and select Edit Photo. You will want to make sure you are in the FX section, where you will find the Magic Eraser too. Please note that Magic Eraser is part of Canva Pro, so you need a Pro subscription to use this feature. Once you have selected the Magic Eraser tool, you can adjust the brush size by changing the settings on the side. Then simply click and drag the brush over the area of the image you want to remove. For example, I will erase the image of this monk by dragging my mouse over it. Keep dragging until you have covered the part you want to remove. After you have done it, release the left mouse button, and the tool will take a minute or two to process. It will do a great job of removing the selected part from your design. And that is everything you need to know about how to use Magic Eraser in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.